What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video and tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Claude AI in VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Firstly, go to Anthropic's website and log in or sign up. Generate your API key, then open VS Code. Go to Extensions on the left sidebar, then search for Claude AI or Anthropic Claude. You can choose Claude Code extensions or multi-AI tools that support Claude. Click Install, then open Extension Settings. Pass your API key, then open a file. Right-click on Ask Claude or open Command Palette. Ctrl-Shift+P. Type Claude. You can now generate code, fix bugs, explain code, or refactor projects. And that's it guys, as simple as that, and that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.